So today, sorry, I just got out of the shower, and also, sorry about this one now. I went to get my nails done, and like, I took all of them. Need some cream. Not the point. But today, I'm going to be making slime. So sorry I haven't made videos in a while. There's been something wrong with my camera, the SD card. So like when I'm videotaping it, like it's weird. I don't know what's wrong with it. But sorry for my magic anything today because I need to film everything. So in the next video, I will have beautiful nails. I think I'm going to be making 2 videos today. I'm not sure. So like I said, today, I'm going to be making slime, and I'm going to do a slime tutorial, because I never do slime tutorials. The only one I did was, what was I gonna say? The only one I did was the one at 3 a.m. But that was like the only one. I don't think it really even like a slime tutorial. So, yeah. So without further ado, let's move on to the video. So the first ingredient that I will be needing is some glue, and this is just a 4-ounce container because I'm not making the biggest slime in the world. So yeah. The next thing that I will be needing in order to make the slime is some lotion, and this is just to make it a bit more smooth and soft. So, yeah. Sorry about the container. But the next thing for activator, I have some borax. Now, I just keep a little bit of borax. It's a container, so yeah. It's just in a glue container. And then I'll be needing some glitter, but I do have some more. And all of these, I just have blue, red. This is like another blue, but it's more like turquoise. This is very light one. And some gold. But I do like the packets, so I can use them. But I'm not sure yet, depends on what color. I'm not sure if I want to color it. So yeah. Mixing tool. I'm just using a spatula. Some paint, and the paint that I'm going to be doing is green. It looks a bit more blue on camera, but it is green. This is called Dark. Right there. But this is optional, and so is the glitter, and so is the lotion, but I'm just going to use some green paint because I want some pop to it. A mixing container. Well, what I'm doing is I'm just using the container that I'm using to sort of slime it. But you also need a container, so I have this. So everything else will be optional. My face is so red. But everything else, you can add whatever, anything else you want. Add some clay, I don't know, beads. You can add whatever, anything else you want. But this is just what I'm adding. I'm just doing a little tutorial, so let's get on to the tutorial. Okay guys, so just add the glue into your mixing bowl. Okay, now add your paint. Sorry it's going so fast. I just wanted to speed it up because it went a little fast. Mix that up. Now, once again, the paint is optional, as I said. But that's just what I'm doing. And also glitter is optional, but I'm using like turquoise blue glitter and some gold glitter and just mixing that into the bowl, to the glue. And now I'm putting the borax in to turn it into the slime, but it is not going to turn into the slime right away. So I just put that thumbs up thing. But it's not going to turn to the slime right away, so you're just gonna wanna keep adding the borax to it and mixing it. So, yeah. Now, time to mix with your hands. So now I'm just kneading it. Maybe add a little bit more borax. So just play with it. Clean everything up. Put some borax in it. Okay, so I had something happen where I had to change my mind, so I'm adding clay into it. I'm so sorry, guys. But I'm adding clay into it, and it's just gonna be a clay slime now, a butter slime, so I am excited for that. And now I'm adding in some lotion finally, because it was getting a bit hard from the clay. So this is a voiceover, obviously, but if you hear me talking in the background, it's because, like, I didn't know if I wanted to do a voiceover or not, so I'm just talking and blabbing on like I usually do. That's normal for me. My lord, the camera just almost fell. And once again, I'm very sorry for my ratchet nails. They are disgusting. So I just put more clay in. You can see my shirt. So that's nice. See, I noticed it, so just fix it up. And today I'm not using Model Magic. Daiso. I'm using Model Magic. So okay, everyone, so this is, oh my god. play that back. Okay, everyone, so this is... Oh my god. Quality stuff there. But, I hope you liked it. Now, don't worry. I'll still see you up there. But I'm just saying... I hope you liked it. And yeah, but I'll see you up there. So, I hope you liked that video. So I just have a question. Sorry about this red. I've been, like I said in the beginning of the video, I was outside. But, so, I want you to name this. Now, in real life, it's a lot more green because on the camera, it's like blue. But I want to know in the comments below what color you want this. No, what the name is. So, if you write that in the comments below, and also like, subscribe, and subscribe, you're gonna get a shout out. So as I said, please make sure to like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments below what you want me to name this butter slime. So, I can name it whatever you want. So, like I said, but I see you all next time. Bye!